I want to talk a little bit today about cyanuric acid, also known as stabilizer or conditioner. The vast majority of swimming pools today utilize chlorine as their primary stabilizer. However, some form of cyanuric acid is an absolute necessity in order to protect this chlorine from the damaging rays of the sun. The problem with existing cyanuric acid formulations is that they're extremely slow dissolving, often taking 3 to 5 days, even weeks, costing you money, as well as they have an extremely low pH. So low it can actually damage the surface of the swimming pool and cause you bodily harm. Nobody wants that. Natural Chemistry is proud to present a better way to do it. Instant Pool Water Conditioner. This is a pH neutral formula that's safe for the pool owner and operator that actually starts to work instantly. Simply pour in a 1 gallon bottle and this will add the proper amount of cyanuric acid, start protecting your chlorine instantly.